Siena, the heart of medieval Italy. Hi everyone, it's
The Destination Dibbles!
And today we are taking you through our adventures in the Tuscan city of Siena. It is a city steeped in history, culture, and beauty. With its medieval charm, beautifully preserved architecture, and picturesque, narrow, winding streets, Siena delights adventure seekers from its stunning Piazza del Campo to its Gothic masterpiece, Duomo di Siena. We first visited Civita di Bagnoregio in the morning before driving the Tuscan countryside to Siena. Since we didn't eat in Civita di Bagnoregio, we were starving when we reached Siena. We found parking easily just outside the limited access area in Viale della Vecchia parking and set out on foot to fill our bellies and explore. We decided to take the streets leading to the famous sloped Piazza del Campo and hoped to stumble upon a nice, authentic restaurant. Just steps from the piazza, we found Take Voi. It's a small sandwich and pizza shop that you actually order from your table using WhatsApp, and food is brought to your table. We opted for a salami and cheese plate, a margarita pizza, and of course, some house wine. After refueling, we ventured into Piazza del Campo and just relaxed a while, sitting on the sloped ground and people watching. The she-wolf is a symbol of the city. As legend has it, the twin sons of Remus founded Siena after fleeing Rome when Romulus killed Remus. We sat and counted wolves. Let us know in the comments how many wolves you spot when you're in Siena. Piazza del Campo is a renowned public square located in the heart of Siena. It is considered one of the most beautiful medieval squares in Europe and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The square has a unique shell-like shape resembling an open amphitheater and is surrounded by impressive medieval buildings. The most notable structure overlooking the square is Palazzo Pubblico, or Public Palace, which houses the civic government offices and the famous Torre del Mangia, Tower of Mangia. The tower stands at a height of around 89 feet and offers panoramic views of Siena and its surroundings to those who climb its 400 steps. In the piazza, there's an example of early Renaissance sculpture in the fountain Fonte Gaia. It was completed by the sculptor Jacopo della Quercia in 1419 and provides a great backdrop for photos. Piazza del Campo is also the site of the annual Palio di Siena, a historic horse race that takes place twice a year on July 2nd and August 16th. Piazza del Campo truly embodies the spirit of Siena, showcasing its rich history, architectural beauty, and lively community life. It remains an iconic symbol of the city and a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the wonders of Tuscany in Italy.
There's a small gelato shop off the Piazza that we just had to try. What's a trip to Italy without getting gelato 1 to 4 times a day? The staff was really nice, asking where we were from and where we had visited.
Our gelato fix in, we headed towards our next must-see location in Siena. The Duomo of Siena, also known as the Siena Cathedral or the Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, is a magnificent medieval church. It is considered one of the greatest examples of Italian Gothic architecture and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The construction of the cathedral began in the 12th century and continued for several centuries, resulting in a stunning architectural masterpiece. Interestingly, it should have been even bigger. Construction was halted by the Black Death and never resumed, which is why the outer walls of the uncompleted part can still be seen. The exterior of the Siena Cathedral is adorned with intricate white, pink, and greenish-black marble, creating a striking contrast. The facade is richly decorated with statues, sculptures, and ornate details. And we couldn't leave Piazza del Duomo without picking up this fun hat that one of the merchants had at a stand. We explored Siena's narrow streets and major sites, but as it was approaching 6 p.m., we wanted to adventure in one more city before returning to Florence. On to the city of beautiful towers.
We hope you enjoyed our content. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye, everybody.